Helicopter costs are typically an expensive element of any exploration program, so Cam Control makes it very easy for an exploration team to monitor their helicopter costs. So here we will watch Camp Manager log into Camp Control. He logs in. His default page comes up with the dashboard showing his selection of information that he as a camp manager likes to keep track of. He opens his work log menu and clicks on helicopter logs. At the moment we're just showing helicopter logs from the 21st of December to the 21st of January. No helicopter use in that period. We'll see in a minute that there was helicopter use earlier last year. We'll look at that in a moment. In fact, we'll look at that right now by selecting the location, Alice Arm, October 1st to 21st. And there is a log of helicopter use by this company during October. So now the user wishes to add a new record. Location Alice Arm, Air Charter Company, Charter CO1, invoice number 234, today's date, flight leg, there was only one flight leg today, flight description, take crew to field or to fly camp, hours, we only flew 1 hour today. It was a Hughes 500, aircraft registration number AD34R. It was our exploration program target generation that should be charged, and this one is for the drilling account. The helicopter was based in Stewart, the helicopter that did the flying, and the pilot's name was John. Fuel to be paid by Expediter. Entered by, and that's my camp manager's name, and we insert that. And right now the helicopter, the camp manager can log off. It's taken him a little less than 2 minutes to put that important information into the system. A few minutes later the exploration manager logs on, wants to see what's been going on. He goes and opens his work log menu, clicks on helicopter log. Oh, what I should have shown on the previous page is that because I, as the exploration manager, am running helicopters, I can easily configure my my home page to show helicopter logs. So I'll just show that pretty quickly, since we may not be drilling and I want to see what my helicopter usage is on the front page. I can customize my front page and change the drill logs to show my latest helicopter logs. We'll save that, and now we'll see on the home page that when I log in, my latest helicopter logs will be shown. So let's look at the helicopter logs. There we see a helicopter log, January 21st. If I were to spread my dates through to Oh, I see the last log day was the 22nd of October, and they're the 21st of January. Now, the logs as shown here are in a grid for editing. We can view them in different ways. We can group them by date. So on this particular day of 4th of October, there were 5 legs of flying. We can group them by the registration number of the helicopter. In this case, it was always the same chopper. And we can group them by location, and in this case, it was all flown by Ellis Arms, so that's not much good to us. More importantly, though, we can view the helicopter logs as a report, which can be exported to PDF. So here's our helicopter log in PDF format now, optimized for printout. We select the format. Well, it can be output in CSV for export into Excel, or in PDF format. We'll just show export to PDF now. Choose PDF, click export, and export it. Okay, so here we have our helicopter log report in PDF file, perfect for appending to any due diligence reports or reports on the year's activity. Thank you.